Hello everyone, this is another update on the pathfinding. So now we have, with Okito, worked on generating a grid based on a terrain. So if we have this terrain now and we want to change it, so let's edit this and let's have, yeah, that should be fine. Let's create like a really big thing here. Okay. And then we say initialize grid. There you go. So it's going to calculate the new grid and define walkable areas depending on the slope of the place where the slope of the vertices of the grid at this position on the terrain. So that's the idea. So now let's see what happens when we try and move agents around on this. First I need to do play. Let's now generate some agents. This is going to be 1,000 agents. Okay, so we spawned a bunch of agents. And now let us see if they move around properly. Let me select the terrain so we can see on the scene view. And so I'm going to click on this. For example, all the guys that are up here shouldn't be moving because there is no path for them to move to. But these guys should be kind of able to move around, those kinds of things. And let's see what happens if I now click on there. So the pathfinding works. The agents do find their way. That's nice. However, you'll notice if I play around a little bit that some agents stop moving. And so I'll get to that in a bit. And now if I go here, it's going to be a lot more agents who stop moving. Actually not. But well, we can see that there's a bunch of agents that do not move. And the reason why they stopped moving is because they were pushed by other agents onto on non-walkable tiles. And so that's why you see these two, for example, they're on a walkable tile, so they should be moving if I give them an order. There you go. But those who are on non-walkable tiles, they're stuck there because, well, they assume that they can't walk away from where they are. So that's a bit of an issue. I think what we should do is one way of solving this is to put invisible colliders, because really they should never be able to be pushed in non-walkable tiles. But given how and also maybe it's because of the max walkable slope that I put. But even so, I mean, it's just going to push the problem a little bit further. So that's the current problem. And I would kind of be interested in ideas around this because I'm not quite sure what's the best way to tackle this. Maybe we could just spawn invisible colliders just to make sure that it's not possible to be pushed in one of those tiles. I think that's probably the best way to do this. So I can just do a raycast and spawn invisible colliders, or just make maps in such a way that it cannot happen. One or the other. But yeah. But as you can see, it's still pretty nice. And it's nice to see these guys moving in something else than the checkerboard formation I had before. So that's kind of cool. If I press here, hey, these guys now can move. And now because they have some inertia, they push each other off the top. Woo, and they slide down because of gravity. Yeah. So anyways, let's watch some more of these guys. They look like they're lurking, ready to pounce on some stuff. And there you go. Anyways, thanks for watching, and hope you liked it.